What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the little bell to get a notification every time I upload a new video. In today's video, actually our first video for 2021 is going to be a Valentine's wreath. He is back, ladies and gentlemen, and we are ready to start our new content. This wreath was made with all Dollar Tree products, and I bought everything for less than $10. I want to say it was less than $7 technically. Actually less than $5. I'm gonna show you and give you the steps of what to do and how to make this cheap for literally $5. The board was $1. I used two different puzzle boxes and they were $1 each, and then I bought a ribbon which was $1. Totaling out to $4. If you need paint, Dollar Tree has some 50 cents, so it just kind of depends. I already had the paint, so I didn't have to make that expense. What I like about this wreath is that you can do, it's a chalkboard, so you can write in it. I went ahead and I put a decal in it. I don't know if you've seen my little short video, but I bought a CRICUT machine for Christmas or after Christmas, and it's so easy, and so I was so excited to use it, so I went ahead and made a vinyl for this as well. So let's go ahead and get started with our steps, and it's easy and fun. You can actually have this, my dog's barking. You can actually have this be done, be a little project with your kids. So let's get started. For this project, I used a heart sign from Dollar Tree. It comes with a little ribbon. This was only $1. You can also use a wreath, an actual wreath. This is also from Dollar Tree, and I originally was going to use this one, but I decided not to, because I wanted to put something on the little chalkboard. This is actually a chalkboard center, and I feel it's going to fit better with what I'll need. You'll need two different sizes of puzzles, although I think you can do one with the 48 if you want to keep them all one size. This would be enough to go all around, but just to add a little more dimension, then I'm using both. These were $1 each, also from Dollar Tree. Some paints that they have I got these at Walmart, and I believe they're 50 cents each, but Dollar Tree has them also, and I'm going to use different shades of pink, red, and a big white one. This little tray I got at Dollar Tree, and I think it was 2 per set, but I'm going to use these little plates as well because they're bigger and you can put them in there.
Once they're all set up, you grab your glue gun and start gluing them in place. So now that you have this, which is basically your base, but I like the way it looks just alone, but I am going to go ahead and add the smaller pieces, which I have already pre-painted, and pretty much place them in between each one of the bigger pieces. I made 10 and 10 of each of the smaller ones, 10 white ones and 10 red ones, and if I have some left over, I can maybe just kind of fill up any other gaps that I might find or see fit. And we're pretty much done. You can write anything in the middle. I decided to take advantage of my CRICUT machine and make a little decal that says love, and I'm just gonna put it in the middle. And there you have it. Now I'm gonna turn it around and glue the ribbon in the back with my hot glue gun. And you can use the same ribbon you have, but Dollar Tree does sell some really cute ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the one that I bought. So now that our ribbon is in place and everything is set up, this is our final product. Like I said, I was able to put a decal with my CRICUT machine, but you can write anything in the middle. I really do love the way this turns out. So I hope you guys can make it soon.
This is our final product. It was super easy, and all you needed was some quick Dollar Tree items and you are good to go. I originally was going to do a red, pink, and white colors, but I felt like white and red kind of felt better I kind of wanted that vibe more. I might do a different wreath with some pink, different shades of pink puzzle pieces. I did have this wire wreath that I was originally going to use. I still have it left over, so I might come up with something for this one. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, keep your thumbs down to yourselves. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell to get a notification every time I upload a new video. Comment down below if you have already set up for your Valentine's decor, or if you've already set up your Valentine's decor. We have. Pete has. He's the one who pretty much got everything, so that was his department this year. And I don't know if he's gonna let me add my little wreath to it. But thank you guys again so much, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.